In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background effect on text in Canva. This is a really useful trick if you want your text to stand out more on thumbnails, social media posts, or presentations, especially when your text is sitting on top of a busy photo or a colorful design. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Canva project. First, open your design in Canva and locate the text you want to edit. This can be a heading, subheading, or even a small line of body text. Go ahead and click directly on that text box. When you select the text, you'll see a toolbar appear near the top of your screen. This is where you control most of the formatting options for that text, like font, size, color, and alignment. With your text still selected, look along that top toolbar for the option labeled Effects. It usually appears near options like font, size, and color. Once you find it, click on Effects. This will open a side panel or drop down that shows different style options you can apply to your text, such as shadow, lift, hollow, and more. In that effects panel, look for the option called background. This is the effect that adds a solid or semi-transparent shape behind each line of text, making the words much easier to read against any background. Go ahead and click on background. As soon as you do, you should see a colored block appear behind your text. From here, you can customize how that background looks. Depending on your Canva version, you can usually adjust the color of the background, the roundness of the corners, the spread or padding around the text, and sometimes the transparency. For example, if your design already uses a specific color palette, choose a background color that fits your overall look. If you want a softer feel, increase the roundness for more curved corners. If your text still feels cramped, increase the spread so there's more space between the letters and the edge of the background. As you tweak these settings, keep an eye on how your text looks against the rest of the design. The goal is to make your text readable without overpowering the image or graphic behind it. When you're happy with how it looks, you're done. You've successfully added a background effect to your text in Canva.